In this video we'll be learning about C++ and objects. So remember, C++ is an object-oriented language, much like Java. So we'll be working on a class, but there'll be missing pieces to the class. So let's try that. So the file name is main.cpp. One second here. So I believe we have to include some things, and we'll also have to include a file. So we'll include IOStream and include string. This is a file, I believe, but we haven't made it yet. So also using namespace std. Int main. So I'll say account my account. It's looking for the file, I think. That's why it's in red right now. Let me just try to return 0. I forgot the word. So it's just, I think this is just an uninitialized object. Hold on, let's try it. It's looking for this file. I don't think it sees the file, so that's why they didn't tell us to run it. No such file, it says, or directory. They didn't tell us to run the program, but we'll just leave it like that. So this creates account object my account. So this part's a little bit tricky. my account. Its name is the empty string. So I believe it's going to look for a file and use a code to extract a name from it. So for example, cout. String. Initial account name is whoops. So I believe it's using a function we haven't really created. That's also the case. So we'll just try with the rest of the program and see what happens. So we'll prompt for and read the name. So cout, please enter the account name, and then we'll say string. We'll create a variable name, the name, but subtype string. And we'll say getLine. We'll pass in cin and then the name. And we'll say my account dot set name to the name. Oops, sorry. So we'll get here. I'll read a line of text. So we'll read a line of text here from getLine, and then we'll put the name in my account. Also, we'll set the account object. Here we'll display the name stored in object my account. Then we'll see name in object my account is. And then end line. We have to add this line up here too. I don't know if that's right. That's a space here. I don't think it's going to run because it's missing the file, but it's just showing us that if we did have the file, that's what happens. Let's just see what they're talking about. So classes cannot execute by themselves. I think here we're going to create the account.h class. Hold on, let me just go back here. So yeah, we'll do that in the next video. Thanks for watching.